To install the Flexco belt edge protector, first identify the installation location and align the belt edge protector along the conveyor side wall. Use at least 2 shims to set the proper height of the belt edge protector off the belt. For best results, install belt edge protectors on both sides of the full length of the conveyor. Holding the segment tight to the conveyor structure, use a punch to mark the location of the pre-drilled holes for attaching the segment. Drill through the wall using an extension bit holder and 1/4-inch drill bit. If you are drilling through a stainless steel structure, refer to your drill manufacturer's instructions and follow stainless steel best practices. Fasten the belt edge protector to the side wall using the 1/4-inch bolt, washer, and nylock nuts provided, following the manufacturer's instructions. A best practice is to fasten the first bolt before drilling the remainder of the holes in the wall. This helps the segment stay in place while drilling the remaining holes. Continue fastening the segment along its length with the hardware provided, placing a shim beneath each hole when drilling and fastening. If you are unable to utilize any of the pre-drilled holes in the segment, use the provided counterbore bit to drill a new hole through the belt edge protector. Be careful not to counterbore through the entire segment wall. Drill a new hole through the side wall of the conveyor and fasten the segment to the wall. Remember to use a shim when drilling and tightening the fasteners at the new hole location. Once the entire segment is bolted to the side wall, slide a shim between the belt and the end of the segment. Then slide the provided link plate into the slot on the underside of the belt edge protector. Ensure that the link plate tab is facing up. Slide the next belt edge protector segment over the link plate to ensure the segments are pressed flush together. Transfer drill through the conveyor side wall, marking the hole locations with a punch if required. Fasten the newly added segment following the same sequence as the previous segment. If you are unable to place the belt edge protector up against the conveyor structure due to interference, trim the vertical face of the belt edge protector with heavy-duty shears in order to install the segment and avoid creating a catch point. Once all the belt edge protectors are installed, follow the pre-operation checklist and test run the conveyor for at least 15 minutes.